WESS Global introduces ENV200-C, an innovative ultrasonic clamp-on density meter. Sensor installation. Sensor installation is very important to get accurate and stable measurement result. First of all, attach the measure tape on the pipe to adjust two sensors horizontally. Adjust the sensor fixing housing's projection part to a certain gradation on a ruler and level off two sensors. After leveling two sensors, tighten the sensor fixing housings with metal hose bands. After fixing housings, attach double-sided tapes on the sensor face and stick to pipe section by pressing the sensor head. And then seal sensor cap. At last, cover the sensor protection cap and fix it with fixing screws.